The most advanced greenhouse heater with a distinct engineered design. Eco 250, an innovative high-efficiency heater, powerful, reliable, unmatched. Delivers consistent energy-efficient heating even during the coldest nights of the year. Thermal capacity of 290 kilowatts with an exceptional 94% efficiency rating. Certified patented design with both national and international approvals. Carbon monoxide leak-free certification ensures safe, worry-free operation. Uniform heat distribution through high-velocity air discharge. Quick and straightforward installation. Space-saving dimensions. Purpose-built for greenhouses. Also perfectly suited for poultry farms, production halls, workshops, and sports facilities. For expert consultation and further technical details, contact our sales team.